What's the difference between AC and DC machines? Let's simplify their working and where they're used in real life. First, AC machines operate on alternating current, where the direction of current changes periodically. The most common type is the AC motor, especially the induction motor, which is widely used in industries and households. On the other hand, DC machines run on direct current, where the flow of electricity is constant in one direction. DC motors are known for their precise speed control and high torque at low speeds. In terms of construction, AC machines are simpler and more rugged, which makes them cost-effective and easy to maintain. DC machines, though more complex, offer better control over performance, especially in automation. Where are they used? AC motors power washing machines, fans, air conditioners, pumps, and almost all industrial equipment. DC motors are commonly found in electric vehicles, robotic arms, elevators, and mobile devices. AC machines are ideal for high power and constant speed. DC machines are perfect when you need variable speed and high control. So, which one is better? It depends on your application. Use AC machines for general power tasks and DC machines when control and precision matter more. Understand the basics, and you'll know exactly what to choose for your next electrical project.